Good morning. Welcome to my trading journal. So first things first, if you are here to look at a particular part of my video, just look at the progression bar down there. And if this is your first time here, let me easily break it down for you. I like to do these live trades. It's a very simple. There's a pre-market planning that I do for XYZ reasons. And there's a live portion and then a quick analysis. Okay, so now we have about 2 minutes and 30 seconds left till market open. These are the two tickers that I have in mind. CIDM, it's a buy. I think it has great potential to have a breakout. Genus, on the other hand, I believe is potentially going to be a great short if it's going to be Genus's first red day. Let me look up some shorts. No shares available. Of course, no shares are available when I predict it's going to be a good short. At least for today's sake, if I can't get any shares, I will be looking at Genus and just predicting that I would short within the market open within the first 5 or 10 minutes. If I assume that, ooh, market open, it's game time. So the only one I'm really looking at right now is CIDM. Ooh, I was gonna buy right there at 443. Actually, this is a good time to buy. I should maximize it just here. Let me so we can get the full gravity of this situation over here. Now it looks like it's kind of weakening. That one should have kind of like burst out, but it didn't. Right now it needs to hold this 4 mark, make its way back up. I would definitely think about buying it within the next few minutes. I would love to short like Genus like around there or closer to 950. Ooh, look at Genus breakout. I was not expecting that. I would probably add to my short right there, to be honest. Right there, right now, 970. So that probably would have brought my average up to about like 950. Ooh, CIDM. Genius is kind of scaring me. It's gonna break out. I try to make it as real as possible, as if I was in that trade, the way that I just told you. How much money would I be down right now? I'll be having a heart attack right here. Because my average, what I said would have been about 950. This is it's about 70 cents over. If I was in 100, that's about 70 bucks. So this part right here, it's pretty much a news feed. Most of the time it's correct and it's about whatever particular ticker that it's right below. It's all the news thingy with CIDM. So I can always kind of glance over here and just see what's going on as part of the research. Look at this one. Ooh, a part of me is getting scared right now. And I still don't have the hotkeys memorized because I made that one trade last time. It's going to be a breakout again, I think. My adrenaline is pumping so hard. So right here will be probably a good buy. If I can buy closer to 420, that would be ideal. Ooh, my heart's beating. It's going to break. I bought. No? It didn't work? Come on. That's BS. Okay, now I bought at 456. That was dumb. I guess I didn't press it or I was too scared. Oh, it needs to break out. I bought at the high too. I guess I can try to do like about a 50-cent risk. I kid you not. It almost feels like I can like feel my heart just beat every single beat. Like every pump, every beat. Like I can feel it. Just stay above 450 and shoot up towards like 525, 550. I would love that. Are we gonna have a breakout back to back? Come on. This will be sweet. 2 breakouts in a row. That would be nuts. You guys wouldn't have expected it? Hell, I wouldn't have expected it. And look at this breakout. It's breaking out. This is gonna be another great video for you guys. Hopefully, I can leave with profits and not be too greedy. Saying that verbally gives me a reality check or a pinch on the cheek. Kind of afraid. 5 is gonna be like crazy barrier. If we can just blast through 5 and go to 525, that would be sweet. Let's have a breakout above 5. Let's do it for the YouTube channel. Do it for the viewers. No. So what if that's the top and 5 was the highest it can go? Staying up there. It's staying up there. The buys are winning right now. And I would have a heart attack on Genus. Break that 5. That was so wrong on Genus. Yes, 513. But for Genus, it's like I'm almost glad I couldn't buy shares. I would have a heart attack right now. That was a strong green candle. Just to stay above 5. That's all you gotta do. Last time I left like a lot on the table, but I should still lock in some profit. Yes, come on. This is so sweet. Another breakout. I covered 1/3 right there at 552. I gotta lock in profits. I just gotta do it. Yes. Oh my god, it's just gonna bust through. OMG. OMG. I don't know. Look at this breakout. Break 6. If it breaks 6, I'll cover another 1/3. I mean, not cover. I'm sorry, sell. I'm so used to shorting. You know what? I covered another 1/3 just in case. It's scaring me a little bit. It's better safe than sorry. The more it's staying here, the more it makes me want to cover some more. I covered another 1/3 right there. Just scaring me. You know what? I'm out. I'm out at 445. Even if it goes up a little bit more, it's fine. I'm out. Let me just double check. That was a ride. I am completely out of my position. And look at it. That was a good call. I'm glad I didn't get too greedy. Definitely glad I didn't get too greedy. I mean, it can probably definitely bounce from here and then go up more, but at least for these 2 minutes, I'm like, you know what? I'm done. I'm done for the day. It is 8:47, 17 to 18 minutes into the market open, and I'm done. Today being June 4th, I made a total of $94.42. Let's just call it $95. This is a new first. This is a all-time. This broke my last record. So I reached a new milestone, $95. This time, not being greedy. It's an example of when listening to your plan and your logic just works and you nail it. Because greed and emotion wants me to like go for more and more and more. And look, it never came. At least in these few candles, it didn't come. I don't care what it does later on. Anyway, so let's do a quick analysis on CIDM. Let's finish the paper trading analysis portion first before we get to CIDM. Let's say 950 because I don't quite remember. I would have been scared. Would have covered literally within this or this candle. I would have lost around $150 on this trade if I were to actually have taken it. This one, I would have had actually my first loss since I started this series. Let's get to the juicy part. CIDM. We had a breakout last week, and the very next trade, this is another breakout. That is just absolutely nuts. I just want to say how excited I am for that. And on top of that, my all-time high profit, $95. Now, the next milestone for me is going to be $100. I can't wait to break $100. For CIDM, to no longer digress, 456 is the average of my in. So let's say 455. And then 550 was my average. So a dollar. Almost a dollar. Almost a dollar. Well, duh. That's why I'm close to 100. Duh. So pretty much I made almost a dollar on 100 shares. That is awesome. As soon as the breakout happened, I know that more often than none that I just felt that it was going to be a stronger breakout than like maybe 50 cents. So I had patience to hold for a few minutes, and trust me, these were a long few minutes. These are a long few minutes because it's a roller coaster of a candle going up, going down. I never know when this part's going to happen in a split second. Like what if this part happened right here? These were a long few minutes. Honestly, just talking to myself, after a certain point, it's always nice to lock in profits because you don't want to kick yourself in the butt. I say this plenty of times. I think because I say it enough to you guys and I hear it myself, it's making me better at locking in profits. And that's one of the things that I'm actually working on. If the trade happens to be going my way because of my educated guesses, I want to also lock in profit along the way and at the same time try to hone my skills and be more efficient because I got out around 550, I got in around 450. I haven't done the math of it, but I caught 80% of the move following the same principles as the last breakout, applied this breakout, and I locked in more profits. If I were to rate myself, this is probably my best technical trade I have done till date, where I caught most of the meat with such a good profit rate. Overall, great trade. Please leave a comment down below what you think of this trade. Do you want to see more of these kind of trades? Because who knows, like I didn't think that I was great at buying, but I just know two trades that were great on buying, but they happen to be breakouts. So I'm feeling more and more confident as I see breakouts. This makes me more confident than the last time because now I know two of them, but I should still keep my ego in check for the next trade or the next time I see bots. But it's definitely going to have a higher alert if I see another breakout scenario. Anyways, leave a comment. Tell me, should I focus more on buys or more on shorts as of what you have seen so far? Just comment down below. See you next time.